Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Stapler Upholstery Staple Gun Review 2024. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Stapler Upholstery Staple Gun Review 2024. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Check link in description below. When it comes to upholstery projects, choosing the right staple gun is crucial for achieving professional results. In 2024, several models stand out for their ease of use, durability, and performance. Here's a quick guide to help you make an informed decision. The Arrow T50 ACD is a top choice for DIYers and professionals alike. Known for its reliability, this electric stapler offers consistent power, making it ideal for thick fabric and dense materials. It has a high-capacity magazine and can handle a variety of staple sizes, making it versatile for different projects. If you're looking for a manual option, the Stanley TR150HL is a sturdy and ergonomic staple gun that delivers excellent performance. Its soft grip ensures comfort during extended use, while the jam-resistant mechanism keeps work flowing smoothly. This model works well with a range of staple sizes, making it a great choice for any upholstery project. For more advanced users, the Porter Cable US58 pneumatic stapler offers superior precision and speed. Powered by compressed air, it effortlessly drives staples into tough materials, reducing hand fatigue and increasing productivity. So when choosing an upholstery stapler, consider your project's needs and the staple gun's power, comfort, and capacity. Whether you prefer a manual, electric, or pneumatic model, the right stapler can make your upholstery work quicker and easier in 2024. Thanks for watching the video.